Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find the area of triangle. So let's start this. In the first line or in the second line, the input function is used to get the base and height of the triangle from the user. These input are converted to floating point numbers using float to handle non-integer values, for example any point values like 5.5 or 3.2 etc. Now in the next line the formula for area of triangle is area is equals to half base into height. Here in this code, base is the length of one side of the triangle and height is the perpendicular distance from the base to the opposite vertex. Here the calculation uses 0.5 and multiplies it with the base and height. Now in the last line, the print statement outputs the result. Here the f string statement is used for formatting and area 2f. This ensures the area is displayed with two decimal places for better readability. So let's check this program. As I am entering, the base of the triangle is 8 and the height of the triangle is 10. Hence the area of the triangle is 40. So thanks for watching this video.